Managing categories in WordPress. This tutorial will show you how to manage categories in WordPress. Categories are used to organize your posts, making posts about similar topics easier for visitors to find. By default, WordPress has one category called Uncategorized for all posts that are not in any other category. Click the Uncategorized link. Now let's go to the Admin panel and learn how to manage the categories. Click the Categories link. First, let's add a new category. Enter the category name. Enter the category slug. Select the category parent. If we were adding this category to be a subcategory of a different one, we would select the category to which it will belong. Selecting None will add it to the top level. Enter the description. Click the Add Category button. Next, let's edit the category. Click the name of the category. Enter the new category name. Enter the new category slug. Enter the new description. Click the Update Category button. Finally, let's delete the category. Click the checkbox to select it. Select Delete from the menu. Click the Apply button. Click the OK button. Deleting a category does not delete posts or subcategories within that category. Posts in that category are moved to the Uncategorized category, and the parent for subcategories is set to None. Congratulations! You now know how to manage categories in WordPress.